In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tire tool kit in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. In the back seat, you want to tip it up, and you can see the kit right here. You want to loosen this up. You can take this off and slide the kit right out. Take the new kit and you want to slide this clip over it just like that and line it up. And just snug this down. It's good. And you can put the back seat down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.